Another function that we need to be able to do with lists is insert elements into a list. So let's create another program and we'll call this insert demo. And again, we're going to have a list that we're going to start off with. And let's see how we could maybe insert element into list and then display the list. So the way we could do that is with the insert method. And the insert method takes two arguments. It takes an index and then what we want to insert. So we can see here the index is an integer and then the object is, anything we want. So in this case, let's say that we wanted to put between 21 and 34 an element. So that would 0, 1, 2 insert object before index. So we want to put the element before 34. 34 is at index 2. So we're going to put a 2 here, and then we'll just put a string here. I'll just going to put blah, and then we will see if that actually inserted it, and just put print, and we'll just print numbers just to see what we got. So I'll run that. And we can see that, yes, we were able to insert blah before 34. Let's say I wanted to put it before the 55. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put a 4 here, it should insert it between the 41 and the 55. And yes, it did. Let's say I want to put it after the 55. I put a 5. That's actually off the end. I could probably use an append for that. Let's see if that works. Yes, that actually put it at the end. And then if we wanted to put it at the beginning, I could put 0, and that would actually insert it at the very beginning. So those are the different ways that we can insert values inside of a list. We can also, instead of using insert, we can use slicing. As you've seen, we've able to use indexing and slicing as ways of doing these things. And the way we do that is, let's say that, again, we want to put it before 34. 34 is at index 2. We put from 2 to 2 equals, and then we make a list out of what we want to insert. And so we're going to take this list and put it in the space between 2 and 2. Well, that normally would be an empty spot, so that actually will do the same thing. Let's watch what that does. And we can see here, yes, we in fact were able to insert before 2. If I put, 5 to 5, it'll put it at the end. And if I put the slice from 0 to 0, it'll put it at the beginning. So same thing, just a different way of doing it. You can either use the method or you can use the slice assignment. Either one should work. Thank you.